Welcome to my channel. Today we will go to Antarctica, the last untouched frontier of our planet. We have traveled all around the world, but there is one place that is still unknown. We spot a group of seals lounging on an iceberg, their sleek bodies basking in the sun. They seem unfazed by the cold, their thick blubber providing insulation against the freezing temperatures. Our destination is the South Pole, the southernmost point on Earth. The journey is long and arduous. We work hard, but we also take time to appreciate the unique environment around us. We watch the aurora australis dance across the night sky, a beautiful reminder of the Earth's magnetic field and the solar winds that stream across our planet. We also learn about the unique wildlife that thrives in this harsh environment. We are grateful for the opportunity to have explored one of the last truly wild places on Earth, and we are grateful for the lessons we learned along the way. We learned about the power and majesty of nature, the importance of protecting the environment, and the strength and resilience of the human spirit. Antarctica is a continent like no other, a frozen wasteland that is both harsh and beautiful, dangerous and inspiring. It is a place where the elements rule and where life finds a way to thrive in the most inhospitable conditions. It is a place that has captured our imaginations and our hearts, and we hope that our journey has inspired you to learn more about this amazing continent and to do your part to protect it. Thank you for joining us on our journey to Antarctica, the last untouched frontier of our planet. We hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing continent and its people as much as we enjoyed exploring it. We believe that Antarctica is a place that everyone should know about and care about, and we are grateful to have had the opportunity to share our experiences with you. Goodbye. Including the emperor penguin, which breeds in the Antarctic winter, and the Weddell seal, which can dive to depths of over 2,000 meters in search of food. And we face extreme cold, high winds, and treacherous terrain. But the challenges are worth it when we finally reach our destination. We head back to McMurdo Station to catch our flight home. As we prepare to leave, we can't help but feel a sense of sadness. We have fallen in love with this frozen continent and its people, and we know that we will miss it when we return home. But we are also excited to share our experiences and knowledge with the world. We have seen firsthand the beauty and wonder of Antarctica, and we want to inspire others to care about this special place. Standing at the South Pole, we feel a sense of isolation and solitude that is both daunting and exhilarating. And we can't help but feel proud of what we have accomplished. We have spoken to schools and community groups about our experiences and the importance of preserving Antarctica's natural beauty. We have also supported organizations that are working to clean up the world's oceans and protect endangered wildlife. We have explored one of the last truly wild places on Earth, and we have learned so much about the planet and ourselves in the process. But we also know that our work is not done. We are committed to protecting Antarctica and its fragile ecosystem, and we will continue to educate others about the importance of this frozen continent. We are truly at the end of the Earth. We take a moment to absorb the silence and the vastness of the landscape around us. In this frozen wasteland, we find a strange beauty, a stark, desolate beauty that is both haunting and inspiring. The endless white plains stretching out in every direction, the towering icebergs that seem to pierce the sky, the deep blue glaciers that flow like rivers of ice, all of it is a testament to the power and majesty of nature. We also see a pod of whales in the distance, their huge bodies breaching the surface of the water. The sight is truly majestic, and we can't help but feel a sense of reverence for these magnificent creatures, even to us. We explore the vast, barren landscapes of the continent with its towering icebergs, deep blue glaciers, and endless white plains. We learn about the unique geology of the region, including the mysterious V-shaped troughs carved by ancient glaciers and the hot springs that bubble up through the ice. We also learn about the unique climate of Antarctica, which despite its reputation for being frozen solid, is surprisingly diverse. We discover that there are actually 3 distinct climate zones in Antarctica, each with its own unique weather patterns and conditions. It's a hidden world full of ancient mysteries that scientists are only just beginning to understand. From the bizarre life forms that thrive in its frozen wastelands to the secrets buried beneath its thick ice sheets, Antarctica holds a special place in our collective imagination. Join us as we venture into this frozen wasteland and uncover the secrets of the hidden world of Antarctica. We begin our journey at McMurdo Station, a bustling hub of activity located on Ross Island in the heart of Antarctica. As we step off the plane and onto the icy terrain, we are greeted by a sight that is both breathtaking and humbling. The vast, endless expanse of white stretches out before us, broken only by the distant hum of scientific research stations and the haunting cry of the Antarctic winds. Despite the biting cold and the unforgiving landscape, we are excited to begin our exploration of this frozen wonderland. Our first stop is the famous McMurdo Sound, a large body of water that lies just off the coast of Ross Island. As we sail out into the Sound, we can't help but feel a sense of awe at the sheer immensity of the ocean around us. The waves crash against the hull of the ship, sending spray high into the air, and the wind whips across the deck, carrying with it the scent of salt and the sound of distant icebergs. Suddenly, we see it, a massive iceberg up ahead. We maneuver the ship to get closer, and as we approach, we realize that this is no ordinary iceberg. It's covered in thousands of penguins, hundreds of thousands of penguins. They stand on the iceberg, their black and white bodies stark against the brilliant white snow. We watch in amazement as they slide into the water, their sleek, streamlined bodies cutting through the frigid water with ease. The penguins dive and twist in the water, their movements graceful and fluid. Some swim close to the surface, while others disappear into the depths. As we continue to watch, we see a group of penguins emerge from the water, their feathers ruffled by the wind. They shake themselves dry and waddle back onto the iceberg. We can't help but feel a sense of wonder at the adaptability and resilience of these creatures. As we continue our exploration of McMurdo Sound, we encounter other wildlife, including seals and whales. But our journey is not just about the wildlife. It's also about the unique environment of Antarctica itself. We head further south, deeper into the frozen continent. We spend several days exploring the area around the South Pole, conducting scientific experiments and collecting samples for further study. As our time in Antarctica draws to a close, back in civilization, we take a moment to reflect on our experience in Antarctica. We share stories and photos with friends and family. In the years since our journey to Antarctica, we have become passionate advocates for the protection of this frozen continent. As we look back on our journey to Antarctica, we feel a deep sense of gratitude.